Introducing Dash, a mobile parent contact dashboard for teachers by teachers. With Dash, you combine your clipboard, your parent contact binder, and your spreadsheet all into one data-oriented mobile application. Most teachers teach many students, but for the sake of today's demonstration, let's look at 4 students. Those 4 students who we're looking at in our class are Carrie Bradshaw, Elton John, Sherlock Holmes, and Steve Jobs. Carrie was unfortunately wearing the wrong shoes today, and Elton did not do so well on his exit ticket. But Sherlock asked some great questions in class, so we can tag students with frowns and smiles to indicate good and bad days, and swipe to the right to save a subject about them. Now at the end of the day, we have our playlist, which is a custom speed dial that we've created. With your playlist, you automatically are dialing the best number for that student, and at the end of the call, it's going to pull in your subject line, as well as a frown or a smile, and you can immediately indicate how effectively the call went. You can also edit any of the notes if you would like, or change the face to a neutral face. Now, let's look at a specific student. If we look, for example, at Elton, we'll notice that in his contacts, we have some parents that we've indicated as SMSable. And so we can go in and from Dash, go ahead and text message parents who like to receive text messages. We can also go into Sherlock, where we see that when we called Miss Drew, we left a message. Perhaps she called back. And so we can go into our call log, hit edit, and hit the called back button, and the app will automatically resave that call as having been completed. Now let's take a look at another important aspect of Dash, which is the sort function. With the sort function, we can sort our students by most calls, most recent, and least recent. We can also sort by positivity. This allows us to make on-the-spot decisions about which parents to call. Whether your typical day involves 4 students or 140 students, Dash takes the busy work out of parent contact, freeing you up to build strong relationships with students and their families.